from?
How about now?
Is it a red BB gun?
From me?
Shoot your eye out.
You see or no?
Awesome!
Yes!
Yeah, big mouth.
Looks like we need to go pull all the tractors out of the shed.
Yeah.
We got birds in fall.
Yeah.
We used to do that.
I know, we busted the window out of the tractors too.
Oh, we did?
Oh,
I don't remember that.
Ricochet off the side of the tin. I think this goes with it, right?
Yeah, that goes
I
with it.
remember when you got Adam in the face and in the butt.
I shot at him in the butt.
Oh, that's who shot him in the butt. I thought Melissa.
I did. I will say I was a good shot.
Okay. I think this is Corey's last.
Is it?
Yep. I think so.
Megan.
Find this
Yeah,
bottle.
Lyle.
More
It's
booze.
from Dad.
Yeah,
I'm gonna start calling you Adam.
Oh, I think they're trying to not make it snap.
They give them good brand of food.
More boots. They want her to work on the farm.
She likes to pick on
She took
Uncle
the
Adam.
spot for taking over.
Ah.
That's gonna be a bird's eye right away.
Oh, you need to find someplace warm.
BD's in a.
Pretty cool.
Something about a bird's eye right
Merry Christmas.
BB's, Target, and a BB gun.
Pretty cool.
Spill 'em.
That would not be good.
Works out of the way.